Got two wigs I'm going to show you today. It is the wig Delectable's the style, and they are through the Wig Company, and it's not that I'm promoting them, it's just that Statements Wigs is their house brand of wigs. So it's the only place I know of you can get this wig, and I wanted to try them. They were on clearance, so I bought them for $35 a piece. Nobody sent me these wigs. I had been really wanting to try these wigs this wig because it was so affordable, and I wanted to show you ladies who are just very reluctant to pay some of the prices that wigs cost, or you're not able to. So this is a great option, but there is a problem with this style. Like I said, it is on clearance. It's discontinued. I asked them to please reconsider this. So colors are becoming unavailable. I went to order me another gray one. Bam, gone. First, I want to tell you about my haircut. I did go in and touch up my haircut. I cut my own hair. The first time I cut it, I just really ended up shaving most of this, cutting this really short. This haircut, I decided to cut the undercut with my longest clipper guard. I went very short. I used a short clipper guard down at the nape, a little bit longer up above that, and tried to blend them in. I left the length long, and then I used one of my shorter clipper guards to go at an angle up the sides. And I used to have long hair before I lost about half of it. So this has taken me some getting used to. Okay, the two wigs are Delectable by Statements. Here's one of the boxes. It comes nicely packaged. Now it's supposed to be a light brown with a ashy blonde, but I'm going to tell you, if you put this next to a gray one, it looks very gold. So I try not to look at this one after I look at my gray one, because I think, oh my gosh, this is so gold. But anyway, this is basically what she looked like out of the box. A year ago, I would have had a heart attack if I put this hair on. And really now, when I wear her, I basically go up under the perimeter, the bottom of the wig, get the hair. Y'all seen me do that before. Get the hair. I take my glasses off. I make sure this is straight. I don't have a wig grip on, so I don't have to worry about pulling that up over the wig grip. When I put my glasses back on, I make sure there's just a little bit of hair under the arm of my glasses. I paid $35 for this wig. If she's too poofy, just warm your hands. And press down. Now, this is what I find interesting. I'm going to put the gray one on. Then we'll look at the inside of the caps together. This is the gray one. This is the one that is no longer available. And I really hate that because I love this wig. It is color number F8/60. This wig feels softer and lighter than the blonde wig. Now when I put it on, for you newer ladies, I center the tag. I get a hold to the nape and I center the tag between my thumbs. take that hair, whoops, got the net. I take that hair at the ear tabs especially, and I'm going to bring it down. Now, I do not like a lot of volume on the top. Because my face is narrow and appears longer, I prefer the volume on the sides, and that will give my face a little width. I'm not going to overdo the styling here. That gives you an idea. I don't know what that's about. That might be because I've been having it hang upside down. So I'm going to have to put her on a wig stand. There we go. And also another way you can get your wig to calm down when you first put her on is just give her a little spritz of water and do some finger placement. Use your fingers. You don't have to always use product on a wig. Sometimes a little spritz of water in your fingers and a wide tooth comb will do it. So anyway, that gives you an idea of what Delectable looks like, $35. And because I bought two, I had free shipping. Now, the inside of these caps. The first thing I wanted to look at was how close are these wefts sewn together? I was surprised. They are close, and I compared them to another name brand wig, and to be honest, I couldn't tell a lot of difference. Of course, I didn't take it under a microscope either.
Ladies, I decided to come back here in my sewing room to give you a little quick comparison of 4 brand wigs. 3 of them are major name brand wigs that you are probably familiar with. And I wanted you to be able to see for yourself the distance of the wefts between these 3 major name brand wigs. One is a European brand, and the Statements collection piece by the Wig Company. Now, are you able to tell by comparing the distance of the wefts between these 4 brands, which is the Statements, Delectable? Let me move this one up here. Okay, this is the Gabor. This is the Statements, and this is Raquel Welch, and this is Belle Madame. Now I'm a little surprised looking at the Belle Madame in Statements. Here's Belle Madame's lace front. And here's Statements. The Raquel Welch. Let me make sure. The Raquel Welch. And here's the Statements.
Very soft ear tabs, Velcro fasteners, monopart, lace front. Now, let's get the blind one. Same deal. Of course. However, when I picked this wig up, and I have heard this from other wig reviewers, and I have been thinking this for a long time, then I started hearing other wig reviewers say it, and I thought, I am not the only one. I believe that hair color or fiber color may affect the denier of the hair. It may affect the way the permatease feels. I do not know. No two wigs are going to be exactly the same. But what I really noticed is this gray one, the hair seems finer, and it doesn't have the permatease that this brunette, or it's actually listed as a brunette color. I can't feel this for you. I can show it to you. Here's the nape of the neck. Here's the nape of the neck. Can you tell that it looks to be more hair on this one? It's denser. And I can feel more permatease. I have no complaints about the wig. I really don't. It's the only thing I find interesting is the difference between the density feeling of this wig versus this one. And the fiber on the gray wig just seems softer and finer than the brunette slash the light brown slash dark blonde wig. I don't know if it's really showing a good color. There, that's pretty good. You can see some highlighting in the color, in the fibers, and it looks natural. I feel like I gambled with this wig, and I don't gamble, but $35 for a wig, and I saw pictures on other ladies. It looked absolutely beautiful, and I think it paid off. But the Wig Company does send you this catalog, and I have found that online, on their online catalog, they'll have pictures of the wigs, just like every other online catalog, but it doesn't tell the color description. Now, Wig Company, if you're listening, you should really add the particular color name that the model is wearing to your online catalog, because you go in this catalog right here, and it tells you up here that this model, is wearing color K63. So you get a little bit more information in this catalog than you do the online catalog. I hope this was fun and interesting as it was for me. If you are interested in Delectable, you need to go to their clearance site and get you a $35 wig. Now, if you order one, you're going to have to pay shipping. That's why I ordered two. Colors are going fast. They do have that blonde one still left. The gray one is gone. Y'all have a blessed day. Talk to you later.